What are you doing?
Go fix it.
You're gonna fix it. You know what it is? It's a hydraulic cylinder. Can you say that?
Hydroxyl.
Alright, well if you want to fix it, we gotta take it apart, replace the seals. There's a seal right there, and then there's some seals inside here. We gotta get the right size socket, take these off. These are called tie rods, and it's called a tie rod cylinder. So let's get the right socket and take it apart. Yep. Let's see here. There we go. Alright, hang on. We're going to need more than that. Alright, let's try that. There we go. Let's try it again. Is it off? Here, look, put the wrench back on it. Stuck in there. Gotta thread it in and then we pull it out like that. Look at the line cylinder. Alright, now what do you think we gotta do to get it apart?
Get that.
Get that? Actually, see these? These are holding these two ends so they don't come apart. So what we gotta do is take a hammer and we hit on this, it'll come off.
Well, you open it down.
Oh, hang on. Alright, now try. Might have to use a bigger hammer, we'll see. Alright, let's try this one. There, see, it's coming apart. Alright, let's do it like this.
Oh, there's that. Dripping out.
Yeah, some oil's coming out. Actually, we're not getting as much oil as I thought. This should be, there we go. Gotta take this off here so it can breathe. Now we gotta pull this whole thing out. There we go. How's it look?
Oil in there.
Oil. Look, it's blue oil. So see what happens is, if you look back in there, see where this port comes down in? When you pressurize this with oil, it puts pressure behind this. This is called the piston. And as the pressure builds and as it flows the oil in, it pushes this out like that, causing something to move. See, you've got one of these on your mower. That's how I lift the rear lift up. And then when you want it to go back, you put oil pressure here. And then it puts the oil pressure against here. So what we're going to have to do is, we'll have to take this off here. We need to change the seals. The seals in here. This is where it was leaking. Let's go over to our vise and see if we can get that off there.
That big bowl.
Yeah, that is a big one.
I'll get one of them big bowls.
Yeah, one of the big sockets. Hopefully I have one big enough. I don't. I'm going to have to take it to work. Alright. Got the parts back from work. I have to take this off here. This is called the piston. Take that off so I can put this in the lathe to lathe that down. This is the piston O-ring. Some higher end cylinders have a U-seal, which seals a little better than an O-ring, but this is a cheaper cylinder. This is called the gland here, and here's a new gland seal, which is just an O-ring. Costs $2 for both of these. Let's go ahead and put these on, bud. Put your glasses on. Alright, put that on. There we go. We're getting there. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Does it look good? Now we gotta get down there. That's gonna be trickier. I'm gonna do this because this requires a sharp tool, and we don't want anybody getting hurt. There we go. We got that in. I think it's starting to rain. Let's go ahead and put this back together. The only seals I replaced are, like I said, the piston seal and the gland seal. Where are you going? You gonna go look too? We'll get them then. Could have replaced what this is called a wiper seal. There's the backers that you could replace. There's an O-ring here that you could replace as well as here. But this is a budget rebuild, so we just replaced the ones that take the most wear and tear. There we go. Alright, you can keep it there. What do you think? Look clean? This part here is called the cylinder, or the tube. Yeah, through like that. Alright, well let's get this at least tightened up. I'm gonna call it a night for the night.
Drill, 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 drill.
Alright, there we go. This isn't actually really testing it. This is just showing you how it works. So think of this air as being oil. We'll try to do it slowly. It'll slowly push out the rod. There's at the end. This is roughly 30 psi of air. And it pushes it back. Put a little bit in. Well, there's thunder. Sounds like it's our cue to end the movie. We're gonna say bye.
Bye.
So see you later.
See you later.
Alrighty, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe and tell your friends about it. Until next time, see ya.